Hello, today in this video I will show you how to install Hyper-V. Hyper-V is a virtualization technology that enable you to run a multiple operating system on a single hardware. As shown in this figure, multiple of the servers are running on a single server. Before the installation of Hyper-V, you must have the hardware with a 64-bit architecture and that support the virtualization technology, and minimum RAM is required, that is 4 GB. Now we will move towards how to check that the hardware is compatible for Hyper-V. So for that you have to open the command prompt or PowerShell. So just type system info. You need to verify that the Hyper-V requirement value should be yes, as shown here. So before installation of Hyper-V, I will show you how to enable the virtualization technology from BIOS. So first you have to restart the computer. Press escape button. Now we will select the BIOS setup. Here we will select advanced option. Here you can select the system options, and from here you enable the virtualization technology, and after that you can exit and save the option. There are two methods to enable the Hyper-V role. You can enable it from a command prompt, or you can use a PowerShell script. So I will show you how to enable it from control panel. Simple, open the control panel. I type the control in run. Here you will select the program and features. Turn on or off. Here, here you can select the Hyper-V and select both of the options and click OK, and it start the installation. Installation has been completed. Now we will restart. After the successful installation of Hyper-V, and now we will open the Hyper-V Manager from search. So from here you can create a multiple virtual machine.